What is up, Double Down Fishing fam? We are back here live, and we forgot to make an intro, so this is midday, but I'm gonna make the intro now. I got cut up by a pike, so the sock always comes in handy. You've probably seen this in the last video, but we were sitting here in the tent. The bluegill bite has been slow, and I don't care about the bluegill. Let's see the flags go flying up. Roll the clips.
Pull the line.
Nothing.
Nothing?
Keep going, Paul. Keep going.
No, you got him right there. Pull, you got him. Easy. If he's pulling hard, just let him gently funnel the line through your hand.
I'm gonna bring dice.
Fish on, baby. My dad's hooked up on a nice pike, probably.
Go lightly. This is the same.
If he starts to run real hard, then you let him go.
What is it?
Nice and easy, you're good.
If he wants to go, let him go, yeah.
Just let it funnel through your hands. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, he's going way down. He's big. I saw him. He's like probably about the same size.
Nice fish, doll. You grab it when it comes. Easy.
Go real light.
It's a big pike, dude.
If he wants to go, just let him, because he's gonna barrel roll. He's big.
It's a big pike, Dad.
Make another run.
Ready?
Wait, easy. Grab him.
Hold up. Ooh. Come here, bud. Hold up. Go light. I don't want to lose him.
Holy shit.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Boys got me up at 5 a.m. this morning, and it was definitely worth it. So far, we got 3 big pike. I just got this slob. 32 and a half.
Yeah.
What did I catch on? What is it?
Dead bait.
Dead bait.
Big old dead bait.
Canisius Lake, baby.
Oh, yeah. Now we can just wait for another one.
Set it first.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Fish on.
This one's going back. If we land him, hopefully we do. Go light. I didn't even see the flag. I was clearing out the hole.
Oh, there it goes. Oh.
Big fish.
Oh, I got a tangle right here. There he goes.
It's gotta be a pike.
Yup. Oh, big northern.
Is it a big northern?
Big northern.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got a big knot.
You got a big knot?
Yup.
Just let the knot go if you need it to.
Big pike, baby. Oh, chunky pike.
Oh, it's a nice little. Not that big, but it's nice.
It's pretty nice. He's got it right in the corner of his mouth. It's a big pike, dude.
Wait, slow. Yeah, he's got it right in the corner.
There we go. Not bad.
Nice northern.
Nice.
Alrighty, number 4 of the day. Only got like 2 on camera though.
It's probably a 31, 32, maybe a little shorter.
Maybe like a 30-incher. Got that bait gone. Try to get the hook out and let him go quick.
Crazy. He'll go, Rush. Just gonna hold him for a minute.
Hold him for a second. Make sure his head's in there and hold him.
I'm trying to grab his tail so I can get a good grip on it, because he's just gonna go when I let him go. That's the issue.
Just hold him. Yeah, just wait a second. Wait till he kicks.
Try to hold him as
Yeah,
best
try to
I
hold him
can.
as best as you can.
Yeah.
Wait till he kicks. He'll go. Just wait. He hasn't even
Get a
been
nice
out long.
close-up shot on it.
I'm trying.
It's about to go, because I can't hold him that much more.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
big fish, man.
It's huge.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
I got you. Whatever it is, it's big.
Let's just,
Oh my god, heads up.
you're good. You're good.
You guys got the honey hole.
I don't know what's going on. This is like the best day we've ever had.
That's awesome. Good for you guys.
Oh, heads up. He's
You're
going.
good.
Oh my
Oh, he's
goodness.
running. That's a big one.
This is a big fish.
That could be a tiger, man. I'm gonna videotape this for food.
Go ahead.
That could be a tiger.
Try to get some of the line out,
You're
yeah,
good.
just in case. I don't want a freaking giant knot. Oh, there he goes. Heads up.
Fighting more than the other ones.
Oh yeah.
Kalucha, I just taught these kids how to catch northern through the ice.
Oh, he just ran again.
Oh, he's big, dude. This is bigger than I think this one's real big.
I just wanted to get a look at him.
What is he?
I don't know. I can't
Come on.
see. Oh,
he's
he's
big.
huge.
Ooh!
He's big.
Grab him.
Come here.
Easy, easy, easy. Let him go, let him go.
Big.
Where the hell's he going? Hold up. There's a knot in the effing line.
You're good, you're good. Let him go again. Yeah, he still got him. Just let him go again.
Come on,
Got
bud.
line everywhere. You've taken out so much line.
Oh yeah, he's not that big. He's nice though.
He's chunk.
Come here, bud.
Nice fish.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah, dog.
Nice, dude.
He's hooked perfectly too. I'm gonna get a picture. I'm gonna put him right back down the hole.
Nice job, buddy.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Number 5, baby. Hell yeah. Here, hold him up.
Next flag.
Hold him up sideways.
Alrighty, everybody, we are finishing up the day here on Canisius Lake. Me and my brother and my dad fished. He left a little early. Had to go home and do some stuff, but yeah, I think we got like 3 pike on camera or something like that,
Yeah.
but the bluegill bite was real slow. This should be probably the last ice fishing video. We were assuming that this is our last day for the season, but open water is right around the corner. They were going to be big mondo bass, and yeah, casting the piers for browns and steelhead. So, alrighty, everyone, we'll see you in the next video. We're out.